Ever wonder what it would be like to carry around a tiny data center in your pocket? Well, with the rise of edge computing, that's not as far-fetched as it sounds. Imagine all your favorite gadgets and devices, your smart home, your gaming console, and even your car, working faster and smarter because they've got a little tech wizard right inside them. Let's dive into how edge computing is changing the game, especially for the Internet of Things, gaming, and real-time analytics. What is edge computing? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clear up what edge computing actually is. To your traditional cloud computing setup, data gets sent off to some giant server farm miles away, processed and then sent back to you. It's like ordering pizza from the next town over. There's a bit of a wait. Edge computing flips that script. Instead of sending data far away, it processes data right where it's created, or at least very close to it. It's like having a pizza oven in your kitchen. You get your pizza piping hot and much faster. This means less delay or latency. In tech speak, more speed and a whole lot more efficiency. Impact on IoT, smarter homes, smarter cities. The Internet of Things is all about connecting everyday objects to the Internet, allowing them to send and receive data. Think smart thermostats, fridges that tell you when you're out of milk, and even cities that can monitor traffic in real time. With edge computing, these IoT devices become even more powerful. Instead of sending data to a far-off cloud to figure out what to do next, they can process information locally and act almost instantly. So your smart thermostat can adjust the temperature in real time based on your preferences, or a city's traffic lights can adapt to traffic flow on the fly. It's like having a bunch of mini brainiacs embedded in all your devices, making them smarter and more responsive. Plus, by reducing the amount of data sent to and from the cloud, edge computing helps keep your private information more secure. Who wouldn't want their fridge to keep secrets better than their best friend? Gaming, leveling up with less lag. If you've ever played an online game, you know the pain of lag. You're about to land the winning shot and then, bam, you're frozen in place while the opponent takes you out. Infuriating, right? Edge computing is here to save the day. By processing data closer to where the action happens, games can run smoother and with much lower latency. It's like having your game's server right next to you, ensuring every move is lightning fast and super responsive. This is a game changer, pun intended, for competitive gaming and VR experiences, where even milliseconds of delay can be the difference between victory and defeat. So next time you're about to blame your controller for that missed shot, you might want to thank edge computing for the smooth gameplay instead. Real-time analytics, faster decisions, better outcomes. In today's fast-paced world, making quick, informed decisions is crucial. Whether it's a business analyzing customer behavior or a healthcare provider monitoring patient vitals, having up to the second data can make all the difference. Edge computing shines here by enabling real-time analytics. By processing data right where it's generated, it allows for immediate insights and actions. For example, in a factory, edge devices can monitor machinery and predict maintenance needs before something breaks down, preventing costly downtime. It's like having a crystal ball that's always up to date, helping you make the best decisions on the fly. And the best part, no need to worry about slow data processing or network hiccups getting in the way. Edge computing isn't just for tech giants and corporate moguls. It's becoming increasingly accessible to the average Joe and Jane. Here's how edge computing is making its way into everyday life. Smart devices at home, from smart thermostats to voice assistants. Edge computing is already in many homes, making devices quicker and more responsive. Game consoles. Modern game consoles are using edge computing to deliver faster, more immersive experiences right in your living room. Health and fitness trackers. Your wrist-worn fitness trackers are mini marvels of edge computing, processing data on the go to keep you informed about your health. Automobiles. Cars are becoming smarter with built-in edge computing capabilities, providing real-time navigation, safety features, and performance data. Retail experiences. Shopping has gone high-tech with edge computing, offering personalized recommendations and streamlined checkouts. So while you might not have a full-blown data center in your pocket, the essence of edge computing is very much a part of the average person's life. It's like having a tiny genie that grants wishes before you even make them, making everything from your morning routine to your gaming sessions a little more magical. And the best part, it's only going to get more integrated and impressive as technology marches on. So strap in, the edge is here, and it's ready to compute. Wrapping up. So there you have it. Edge computing is transforming how we interact with technology, making our devices faster, smarter, and more efficient. Whether it's powering the IoT, making your games lag-free, or enabling real-time analytics, edge computing is bringing the data center closer to home. It's like having a little magic in your pocket, ready to make your digital life smoother and more responsive. And who wouldn't want that? Stay safe, stay secure, and the next time you adjust your smart thermostat, win a crucial gaming match, or benefit from real-time data insights, give a nod to edge computing. It's the unsung hero making our tech dreams a reality. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.